Hi, my name is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in our area for home remodelers and I came across your website, so I shot you this quick video comparing your online presence to those of your competitors. So the tips I'm going to give you today you can implement right away. If you could just provide some feedback at the end of the video for me and let me know if the video was helpful or not, that would be great. And if you're interested in seeing how Christy's Leads can help generate more traffic for you guys online, then give me a call. And if not, then no harm, no foul. So I'm going to talk about three things today. One is content, the other is citations, and the last are backlinks. So I have your webpage pulled up here, and I'm going to talk about content first. And you have a great layout on your webpage, a great header at top. You have a great call to action here, lets people know how to contact you, great font. Everything seems to be laid out very well. And you have the area that you work in, which is good for Google. And you have some great photos too. Believe it or not, content is actually the words that you save your photos as well. So hopefully they're saved for you guys as something like home remodeling or in-law suite or basement edition, things like that. They will help you rank higher on Google. So what Google really wants to see is about 1,500 words on your front page. That's pretty much what they like to see. Those words should be highly relevant and have good search volume and unique just to your niche. So if you could add a couple more words that have high search volume in your field, it would probably help you rank a little bit higher than your competition. But generally Google likes to see 1,500 words. So that's for content. The next thing I'm going to discuss are citations. And you might be wondering what a citation is. A citation is your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number. And wherever that appears in any online directories such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, things like that. So if I'll show you here. Let's just do real quick, home remodeling contractors in Bucks and Montgomery County. And these, Google lays this out. These are the paid ads. And I can see you guys are paying for advertisement, so that's good. May give you some traffic. Ads have been around. They're traditional ads now in Google. They've been around for quite some time. Sometimes customers have ad blockers on their websites nowadays because they don't want to see all of these ads because the ads have just become so overwhelming. Sometimes people just don't click on ads, but they also can work well for sure. Of course, you're paying for them. This is the map pack, and this is where citations come into play. Believe it or not, these top three are the people who are ranking the highest organically without paying, and they're in the map pack, and this is what people click on the most. It gives their location, and it lists the business directions or website, something like that as well. So it'd be really good if you could get the number of citations that these guys have or these guys and get into this map pack, because that's how you rank high into the map pack. That's one way. So I see you guys here are on the first page, which is awesome. Kind of in the middle of the first page, which is good. And what I did is I took one of your competitors, and you would go into your competitors and try to figure out the number of citations that they have. So I have their Tillman builders up here, and we have tools that can look at the number of citations they have, and you basically use their citations where they have them with your own business address, phone number, and you want to do more than they have. So if they have 500, you want to have about 700. So you want to just keep adding more until you have enough to outrank them. So we have this tool here. It's called Ahrefs, and I pulled up again Tillman Brothers and yourself, and I kind of compared you guys. I compared you guys mostly on what I'm going to talk about now, which are backlinks. So a backlink is another website that links back to your site, and it says all the work that you do. It brings relevance in keywords that you're trying to rank for. So if you guys look at your backlinks, you have 1.3 thousand, and then the referring domains are the actual domains that are linking back to the website. So there's 339 of them for you guys. But if you look at your competition, which is 3 spots above you on Google, Tillman Brothers, they have 816 referring domains, 1.3 thousand backlinks. And they also have 1.7 thousand organic traffic and 5.1 thousand organic keywords, where you guys have 742 and 247. Now, although your backlinks are kind of similar in volume, 1.3, 1.3, they have way more referring domains, which probably is what's giving them a higher rank above you organically. So they just have different domains, a greater number of domains that are linking back to their website than you guys do. And because of that, they are getting way more organic traffic. They're getting 1.7 thousand, and you guys are getting 247 per month searches. So this is a tool. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $100 a month, maybe a little more. If you wanted to take a look at it, you could certainly use it. It helps kind of evaluate your online presence. And I thank you for your time today. Again, if you could just give me a comment and let me know how this video sounded to you and if it was helpful or not. And if you want to find out what Christie's leads can do for you, we can have a strategy session if you just give me a call. All right, thanks again and have a great day.